So namaste. Today is 30th day of Thank You Universe. Almost all we have completed everything. Everything means everything. Last, I want to show how you can sync with the external energy, the air energy which we can't see, the earth energy which you can't see, the ether energy which you can't see. This all energy is surrounded with you and your aura. The when two energies are sync, you are connected with the nature. So basically, this qigong, I'm working with the qigong. The you are mostly working with your exercise with breathing for connecting with the higher source of energy. Now, before we start, tap your body so that whatever you are making your body to wake up physically, you tap everywhere. Give a perfect tap to understand your body. You are going to work out with energy. Now, I will go in different way. Now, this is the earth energy. Collect this energy, pass through your body, then take out all the negative energy, push out, then collect again the energy from the universe, make it grounded, collect the energy, make an energy ball, then take the energy ball, the imaginary energy ball, throw your crown chakra to your whole body. This is the process. Now, how we can do with the breathing? Now see, I have collected the energy from top, I have collected the energy from the earth. That means it is making you connect with the source, with the earth. You are making you ground yourself, you are connected with the source energy. Right? Now, how you can work with the breathing? Now, when you are collecting, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, during making the energy ball, hold that, breathe inside you, then exhale. Now completely I am doing without speaking. This is all surrounding energy you have collected. Now we have 7 chakra which can be cleaned from your side. So collect the energy from around, take through the crown chakra. Inhale, exhale, right? This is one way of breathing and exercise. Then take the ground energy through your all the chakra to the crown energy. So this is what you have. Tap your body, made wake up all your body cells, and you have collected the energy, connected with the high source and the universe and earth energy. So this is a complete process, is giving you healing mentally, physically, financially, because you are connected with the higher source of energy. Thank you.